Hello students, welcome to everyone. So again today we are going to discuss some question and answers from your question and answer part of third chapter, that is separation technique. So open your book, page number 50. In last class also we have discussed some recalling ideas. We have to recall something and we have to solve some question and answers. So today's one, fourth part, page number 50, match the following. So in match the following, there is two column A and column B. Column A, there is some words are given, 5 words, and in column B, 5 sentences are given. We have to match what we have known, some ideas related to different words. Okay students, so first, don't be late, do it first. So first word from column A is sedimentation. And we know sedimentation. Which sentences is related to sedimentation from column B? Sedimentation is the settling down of heavy particles in a mixture. So, bit E is the right answer related to sedimentation. The next word, that is union. And we know out of these 4 sentences, the bit D is the right answer because union is the method of separation in which we can separate unwanted components from a mixture by using wind or by blowing air. So bit D is the right answer for union. Third word, that is loading. Loading is related to bit B, that is process of settling the suspended particles faster. Fourth word, centrifugation. Centrifugation is related to bit A, that is separation of suspended particles of a substance in a liquid by rotation. By rotation, centrifugation you have done. The last one, that is evaporation. Evaporation is used to separate solid dissolved in a liquid. So that is bit C. Okay. First one bit E, second one bit D, third one bit B, fourth one that is bit A, and fifth one that is bit C. Okay students. The next part is fifth number part, that is find the odd one out. Give scientific reasons for your answer. 4 questions are given. In each question there is 4 words given. We have to choose the odd one out of those 4 words and how it is odd. Reason behind it we have to write. So first one, that is distillate, precipitate, filtered filter paper. And we know filter paper, that is an apparatus, whereas others are the substances left behind some processes. In distillation, that is distillate. In precipitation, that is precipitate. In filtration, that is filtered. These all are substances left behind, whereas filter paper is an apparatus. Okay, so filter paper is the odd one out. You write that filter paper is the odd one because it is an apparatus, whereas others are the substances left behind after some processes like distillation, precipitation, filtration. Okay, second one, solutions, compounds, suspensions, emulsions. Solutions, suspensions, emulsions are mixtures, whereas compounds, each we know that is in fixed proportion elements are together. So write compounds is the odd one because except compounds all are mixtures. Okay. Third one, union, decantation, filtration, distillation. Union is the odd one because union is the separation method for solid mixtures, whereas rest are for separation for liquid mixtures. Okay. Fourth one, chalk powder and water, clay and water, sawdust and water, common salt and water. Common salt and water is the odd one because in water common salt is completely soluble, whereas chalk powder, clay and sawdust is not completely soluble. That means that is not a proper solution as compared to common salt and water. So you write common salt and water is the odd one because only common salt is completely soluble in water, whereas rest are not completely soluble in water. Okay. In this way, your recalling ideas part is completed. Next one, understanding ideas, that is from understanding ideas, first part is name the following. Some sentences are given, we have to write the name related to that. First one, the process which is used to obtain common salt from seawater, that is evaporation. So you write evaporation. Next process, next sentence is the process which is used to separate cream from milk, that is centrifugation. Third one, the process used to separate two immiscible liquids, that is separating phenol, we know. Fourth one, two commonly known mixtures whose components are useful after separation. Two commonly known mixtures, that is seawater, cream and milk. Okay. The fifth one, the process which is used to separate tea leaves from tea liquor, that is filtration, because by the use of filter paper we can separate tea leaves from tea liquor. Okay. For first one, evaporation. For second one, centrifugation. For third one, separating phenol. For fourth one, seawater, cream and milk. Fifth one, filtration. Okay. Part 2, that is define the following terms. Here some words, some terms are given, 5 terms are given, we have to write, we have to define that one. First one, sieving. For sieving, it is a process to separate undesirable components in a solid in solid mixtures by using sieve. It is a process to separate undesirable components in a solid mixtures by using a sieve is okay. Next one, sediment. Sediment is the matter that settles to the bottom of a liquid during sedimentation process. During sedimentation process, which matter, which substances settles down, that is called sediment. So you write sediment is the matter that settles down to the bottom of a liquid during sedimentation process. The third term, that is supernatant liquid. We know supernatant liquid, where it is given. In the page number 42, experiment 1 is written. No, there is this word supernatant liquid is written in observation part. Page number 42, experiment 1, observation part. So the clear liquid of water, that is a supernatant liquid. That means supernatant liquid is the clear liquid which we get in decantation process. Supernatant liquid is the clear liquid which we get in decantation process. Okay. The fourth one, evaporation. So we know evaporation, the process in which a liquid changes into its vapor without boiling. The process in which a liquid changes into its vapor without boiling is called evaporation. Fifth one, that is centrifugation. It is the method used for the separation of fine suspended particles of a substance in a liquid. Centrifugation is the method used for the separation of fine suspended particles of a substance in a liquid. Okay, students. In this way, all the questions from the page number 50 is completed today. On the next class, we will discuss other question and answers from other pages. Okay, students. Thank you.